Welcome to Best Review Services, the ultimate destination for the best review.
FlipGuardian is an online platform that claims to help individuals generate income through flipping websites. Protecting your online privacy is becoming increasingly difficult in today's digital age. With the amount of personal information being shared online, it's hard to know who to trust and what information is safe. The thought of hackers and cybercriminals accessing your personal information is a scary one. It can be overwhelming to navigate the world of online privacy and know what steps to take to protect yourself. FlipGuardian is the ultimate solution to your online privacy concerns. This platform allows you to take control of your personal information by giving you the ability to monitor and manage it all in one place. With FlipGuardian, you can easily see what personal information is available online and take steps to remove it or make it private. One of the key features of FlipGuardian is its website database, which provides access to a wide range of websites that are available for purchase. The website database is said to be regularly updated with new opportunities, making it easier for individuals to find profitable websites to flip. The program also includes a variety of training materials, such as videos, tutorials, and guides, that are designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the website flipping process. These materials cover topics such as how to evaluate website potential, how to improve websites, and how to sell them for a profit. In addition, the program includes a community forum where individuals can connect with other website flippers, share tips and strategies, and ask for advice. This is a great way to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices in the website flipping industry, and to get support from other like-minded individuals. Overall, FlipGuardian is a comprehensive program that promises to teach individuals how to make money flipping websites. The program includes a variety of tools and resources, such as a website database, training materials, and a community forum that are designed to help individuals identify and capitalize on profitable opportunities. I recently had the opportunity to try out the website FlipGuardian.com, and I have to say, I was extremely impressed with the platform. As someone who is always on the lookout for good deals and discounts, FlipGuardian.com made it incredibly easy for me to find the best prices on a wide variety of products. One of the things that I appreciate most about FlipGuardian.com is its user-friendly interface. The website is easy to navigate, and I was able to find the products I was looking for quickly and easily. The search bar is located prominently on the homepage, making it simple to search for specific items. Another feature that I found extremely helpful is the website's price comparison capabilities. FlipGuardian.com allows me to compare prices on a product from multiple retailers, ensuring that I get the best deal possible. This has saved me a lot of time and money, as I don't have to visit multiple websites to compare prices. I also appreciate the website's product review section, reviews on a wide range of products, which has helped me to make more informed purchasing decisions. The reviews are detailed and provide a lot of useful information about the products. FlipGuardian.com also offers a variety of filters that allow me to narrow down my search results. For example, I can filter my search results by price range, brand, and more. This has been extremely helpful in finding the perfect product at the perfect price. In addition to the robust features, FlipGuardian.com also offers excellent customer support. The website's customer support team is available to answer any questions and provide guidance on how to use the platform to its full potential. Now let's talk about the Mailgate feature. Are you tired of struggling to build a big, responsive, and profitable email list? Are you frustrated with low open rates and a lack of engagement from your subscribers? FlipGuardian's Mailgate feature allows you to effortlessly capture names and email addresses from any page point in your reader's timeline, so you can grow your email lists faster and optionally send new contacts straight to your CRM. Mailgate integrates directly with your favorite autoresponder service in just a couple of clicks. See the current list of partner providers we integrate with below. We also give you the option to add your new subscribers to a webinar service or product Dino membership. And with Zapier integrations, thousands more web apps and CRM tools. Plus, with a 30-day, no questions asked guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and online business tips. Flip Guardian is an online